B, review unit 6 through 7 via the face sheet. Number 22, here it goes. To do an absolute value, there are always two answers that go with an absolute value. There's usually the positive and the negative. So we're going to do this problem twice. We're going to do it without the absolute value bars, with that 43 as is. Then we're going to do it again, no absolute value bars, but we're going to change the 43 to be its opposite, negative 43. So here's what it looks like. Step one, even though I don't have any space, I'm just going to write through this stuff. Do your best. Little reminder from a long time ago, look at that. Everything looks exactly the same. This is what most students do when they don't know what to do. Here comes the second version. We'll do them at the same time. I'm going to put this, by the 43, I'm going to turn it and make it a negative 43 with red. I didn't mean to put a 45. I had some candy. I'd give you some. Remind me to give you some out of the container. All right. So, I am on blue. All right. So take a look at that. That's how the setup is. You solve those two equations. Voila, you're a winner. Done and done. One of the 19s is negative. That's the difference. So is that? Are they both negative 19s? You can, because the answer would be the same. Well, here we go. Blue, so that no one can read it. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. This is how easy it is. Review just means it's something you already knew. And now we're doing it again. 2x. Anybody know what 43 plus 5 is? 48. That was Nathan. One last time through. The other side here, the 2x comes down, which can barely be read, but whatever. It's too late. I've done it. Negative 43 plus a 5. 38 will get the job done. And that's a negative 38. Last step, I'm going to divide 2 all the way through. Done and done. So the good news with this review sheet, because we review most of it, it's nice and easy. Nice and easy, breezy. So I used to say to my kid when he was like really small, nice and easy, breezy, you do that voice. And little kids would be like, look, I can't talk to begin with, so you don't really have to do an extra voice. I don't know what regular is, so when you're doing this extra thing, I don't know. I just think humans talk that way. Someone say negative 38 divided by 2?
It's negative 19.
Negative 19, I'll take, because I believe in you all, the way you believe in me. Pause. Oh. All right, we're looking at 23, number 23 now. So again, even on a fake phone, like whatever this track phone thing is, it has that, probably has that capability because it's a smartphone by definition. So I had to download an app that does that thing that looks for. How many numbers?
You might have it.
All right. But right now it's not even getting onto my Wi-Fi at home, but I don't know how to tell it to do it. I try to get on Google, so it's not connected. Like, okay, I'm gonna get connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, somebody add those numbers together so we can get the mean.
Total is 126.
126. Let me turn the music down. 1, 2, 6, all divided by 8. That's a 1 and a 46. It's a decimal. Why do they do that? 8 doesn't have a multiple timetable that has a 6 at the end.
No. Is Karen in DC?
Oh, is that what's going on?
Rand is in DC.
Oh, I'm in
It's
DC.
not in DC.
What is it? No, it's 1 and a 4.
13.75.
Oh, interesting.
Well,
Oh, yeah, when you get that 7, then you don't have to do the rest. If you had a highlighter, I'd want you to highlight
The answer?
the correct A or B thing once you get it. Was it A or B on number 22? B as in boy. So you can see, I guess they make you work hard, and at the very end, like, you know what, back off. Here's some nice and easy stuff. And we'll let you use a calculator too. All right, pause, take a look at a plan. All right, someone tell me these numbers in order from least to greatest. I know there's a 6. I got you started. Help me out.
13, 14, 17, 18, 18, 20.
All right, let's start cutting people off on the edge. I bet it's an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, they give you the harder one. When you're finding the mean, or rather you cut off the edges for those who are watching at home. Here, basically, what you're going to do is find the number that's halfway between 14 and 17. I think it's 31. Well, yeah, we got to go up 1, that's 15, go down 1, that's 16. So it's going to be 15.5, because I'm just going halfway between them. But in order to do that, you just find the mean, of the two middle, the mean of the middle. So let's do it in blue. Oh, they put both those 15. So at least we know it's going to be 15. Have 15 here. You divide that. What's that? 31. 31 divided by 15 by 2 rather. Half of 31 is 15, and half of the x part. You can write it down. Pause it. What answer choice is that? I announced the names of the graduates. I did more of like a sports announcing. The other guy I heard did regular. I did more like Nathan Gaona, like he just scored, like which he's like goal, and that shit just started running, and then people chasing them, and sweet. I got fired, but it was sweet for just a moment. All right, here goes number 27.
It would have been worth it.
Yeah, exactly. 27. Make the 50 count down until it 47 appears, and then you just put an exclamation point or a factorial symbol after it. So you'll see what I mean. Let's do 50 times 49. That's what factorial means, that little exclamation point. Times 48 times 47. 47 go down, 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 all the way until you get down to 1. But because that 47 is on the bottom that you can cancel with, you stop there. Now I'm going to make this 47 in red. The 5 I'm going to make them in green, Christmas colors. Unless you don't celebrate Christmas, and then it's all like, I'm going to cancel out the 2 47s. Now your task with the calculator is on the top. You can do multiply, 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 big number. Bottom, you need to do 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which it would seem like they would have a factorial button on these calculators. I feel like I've seen it before. Oh, they do? What color is it?
It's math.
Oh, I think you go through. No thanks. I'll just do 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. You can do times 1 if you want. That doesn't really help you. All right, now here comes 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Somebody figure out that side's going to figure out what the bottom is. This side's going to figure out what the top is. And then from there. She think that stuff. You sewing? Are you sewing together? Look at you sewing your clothes together. All right, here it comes. So behind the thing, she's like this, like. Yeah, maybe if she did that, then it would be. Oh, you're sewing it with your pencil, so that's kind of. But there's no thread, so you're really just carrying your clothes. Here we go. 59, 49, 48. That's your side. You guys are the important side. These guys, nothing. Oh, look at that. Split like that.
Wait, so we have to do 5 x 3?
Yeah, do 5, 4. Do 20 times 3, which is.
120. So there's 3 more.
And 240? Okay, he's like, mine is broken. You got a big number yet, Caitlin? Because the back row there, just sewing with pencils. What you got? Hey, what you got, Amanda?
11760.
11760.
0.
2 zeros. All right. This side, what does that 5 thing do on the bottom? There you go, guys. Way to make us look good. Ladies have big numbers. You guys are like, do I hit 5 first? What you guys got for the bottom?
1.
Sweet.
I'm
Ladies, yeah, choose none of them. Technically, they say you guys are 3 years behind them. I always thought that in high school, but it's possibly true. Which is why, like, the freshman girl, she's trying to date, like, a senior guy. Like, come on. Well, he's basically my age when he reduced his age. Then the senior girl dating the freshman guy, like, what's up with that? But he looks good. She figured, like, whatever, eye candy, I'll take it. What do we got here? So what did the division? 90?
980.
980, yeah. And guess what? One of our answers is there.
How'd you get the top?
Top, they did 50, 49, that guy. Pretty tricky. I'm not sure the calculator. What do we think when we think about it, though?